So a part of learning about the clouds, we're going to read this book, Kit and Mado, Journey into the Clouds. This book is going to help you understand how clouds are formed, okay? And then while I'm reading, I want you guys to listen for new words that you might not know and how clouds are formed. All right, you guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Kit reached out and touched the little cloud. It felt wet and cold. "You're not fluffy and dry like I thought you'd be," she said. "Do you know what clouds are made of?" asked the little cloud. "I guess not," answered Kit. "Let's find out," said the little cloud. "Clouds are the part of the water cycle," said the little cloud. "See that large puddle on the sidewalk?" "Sure," answered Mado. The sun is warming the water," said the little cloud. "As it warms, the water turns into vapor and rises to the sky. It's called evaporation." "And let me guess," said Kit. "That makes clouds." "Eventually," said the little cloud, "but the water cycle doesn't stop there." Jasper hopped onto the little cloud. Kit and Mado followed. "Up into the clouds we go," said the little cloud. "You can't see the water vapor here, but it's cooling as it rises." "So it's invisible?" asked Mado. "Yes, until it changes into water droplets, or ice. That's called condensation," said the little cloud. "Take a closer look, though, through this magnifying glass." "I can see the droplets and ice sticking to particles in the air," said Kit. "Yes, when the droplets and ice come together, they form a cloud," said the little cloud. "Now that you've seen a cloud forming, let's look at some clouds." Kit hugged Jasper tightly as they whizzed higher into the sky. Okay, so I'm going to stop there for right now. What new words did you guys hear? Aniston.
Evaporation.
What about you, Corbin?
Water cycle.
Okay, so what are clouds a part of? Raise your hand if you know. Yes.
Water cycle?
Did you know that? No?
I forgot.
How does the water cycle work? Corbin.
It never ends.
Aniston.
The water cycle works first when there's like a puddle of water or lakes, river, sea, like that stuff, and the sun is in the air. The sun will heat up the water and then make the water turn into vapor, which is called water vapor, and that is called evaporation. And the ice and the little droplets connect to little particles in the air, and then after that they form into clouds, which is called condensation.
Yeah. And is that how clouds are formed?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So we're going to draw a picture of the water cycle so we can remember how clouds are formed, okay? And then we're going to share them with everyone after you get done. So let's head into the dining room and get that started.